Hello everyone. Welcome back to HAMSTER Combat Daily Cipher for July 2nd. If this is your first visit, please subscribe to this channel to get notified about our daily updates. Firstly, select the Daily Cipher option among the 3 tabs to activate the Daily Cipher. Start deciphering the code once the hamster space turned into red. Today's code is KYC. The code for K is long tap plus short tap plus long tap. Code for Y is long tap plus short tap plus long tap plus long tap. Code for C is long tap plus short tap plus long tap plus short tap. Finally, tap on Take the Prize to claim your 1 million coins. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates.